I'm going to be showing you how to quick fix for Facebook feed not loading on mobile apps in your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So if your Facebook feed isn't loading on your iPhone or Android device, the issue is usually related to your internet connection, the app, or temporary Facebook outage. So the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. You just need to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it works, and open another website or app to make sure your connection is working. You can also try to refresh the feed. You just need to pull down on the Facebook feed to refresh it, and if that doesn't work, you just need to close and reopen the app again. You can also try to restart the Facebook app. You just need to force close the app and open it again and check if the feed loads. Try to update the Facebook app as well. You just need to install the latest version of the Facebook from your App Store or your Google Play Store. If you have an Android, you can just clear the cache. It's pretty easy, but on your iPhone, you can reinstall the Facebook app to clear temporary app data. You can also try to just restart your phone. Sometimes restarting your device can resolve temporary software glitches. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix your problem. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.